Hey guys, it's Vandy. Welcome back. This is the Gourmet Adventurer. We're on the Cross Timbers Trail just north of the Dallas-Fort Worth Metroplex, kind of near the Sherman-Denison area. Tonight, I'm making something awesome, something special. I know a lot of people out there are observing Lent. I'm personally not Catholic, but I have friends that are. I know it's hard not to be able to eat meat for that, 30, 40 days. So I thought maybe going to give you all a little idea of something you can eat during it. It's going to be a wild caught Alaskan salmon. Be frying it up with skin on with a capers, chive, lemon, butter, and gonna have some asparagus and mustard greens with it. It's gonna be good with a little bit of dill thrown in there. It's gonna be awesome. Okay, you guys sit back and enjoy. Okay guys, these are the ingredients you're gonna need. 1 jet boil, 1 frying pan, a little plastic bottle of olive oil, easy to take with you, 1 little jar of capers, 1 lemon, fresh garlic, some chives and some dill, some asparagus and some mustard green, some salt and pepper. Last but not least, what's been on heavy ice for a while, some salmon. A nice salmon filet with the skin on it. Go ahead and season it up, a little salt and pepper. You don't want to be doing a lot of flipping on this. This one's already kind of seared on the side because I kind of dropped it in a little early on the top. But you want it to stay on the skin side down for a little while. And you start at a high heat and you kind of come down to a low heat. I'm on the lowest part that I can keep it lit on my jet boil. You don't want it to heat up too fast, but you want it to kind of cook almost all the way through on this one side before you flip it. Let's throw some of this dill in there. Alright guys, fresh squeezed lemon. Go ahead and put it on in. Let those flavors mesh. Let's throw some chives in there, guys. Get those chives in there. Alright, it's starting to get where it's almost done all the way. Let's go ahead and give it a flip. Alright guys, you don't want to let it sit on that other side too long. It's already starting to flake really nice. I think it's done. Alright guys, try to transfer this over. Already looking great. Time to get those sides going. Well, what do you know? What's that? For garlic. I know that first one went off to the side before anybody points it out. I'm just that good. Probably asking why don't I cut it up into really small pieces so it all liquefies in the pan. We're not outdoor cooking, we're backcountry cooking right now. Why would I want to do a thing like that? Get asked a lot. People ask me, Vandy, why do you use so much butter when you cook? Real reason why? Number one, it's awesome. That's just it. That's the only reason why. I didn't get fat sitting on the sidelines. I got in the game, the food game, and it's fun. So yeah, with a little bit of hard work, you can be in the backcountry enjoying this. This is something you could have it normally at your house, but it's so much better when you have this view all around you. And just do it right here, privacy of your own camp. Isn't that awesome? Alright Guys, I don't know what can make this any better. Got the lake behind me, got a nice campfire going, got wild-caught Alaskan salmon with a lemon, caper, dill and chive butter, asparagus, and mustard greens out here in the middle of nowhere. You can't beat that. It beats the heck out of eating a mountain house. I know that. Oh God, that's perfect. That is perfect. Oh gosh, that's good. Hey guys, it's Vandy. Hope you enjoyed the Gourmet Adventure video. Hoping to get bigger and better stuff as we go. This one was pretty good. I have some good ideas, but sometimes I want to save those for the bigger trips, the multi-days, maybe the Pecos Wilderness. I might do some lamb chops with mint jelly. I'm not sure. We'll get it figured out. But I'm definitely going to keep getting bigger and better with these meals, okay? Appreciate y'all's support. If you would, if you like it, hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, and I'll get you guys some better videos coming up, okay? Appreciate you.